Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Ore and I live in the US and this is my life. Well, the weekend part because 9 to 5 runs the weekdays, so let's get into this first vlog. I just got done having my bath and I feel so refreshed. Still waiting for my man to bring food because I am so hungry.
I think the last time we bought it was spicy.
This is a big bath activity tonight. And she was not even pregnant.
See, baby, go in here now, you big.
Oh my god. And that was when their son died now.
No, that was maybe a year after.
Over. That's crazy.
It makes me so sad. Like, I just let myself go.
Good morning. I woke up really late today. It's 9:36 and we were supposed to go to the gym by like 8, but I woke up late and well, we pushed it for 10:30, so that's fine. But today I woke up craving berry and peanuts and I'm gonna have that. I don't know if it's my period cravings happening, but yeah, I'm gonna have that. So it's a slow morning. Nothing really is happening. It's just sunny. The weather is nice today. Thank God. It's been cold like all week, and yeah, the summer needs to fight back because the spring is really fighting hard. But that's about it for this morning. I'm just gonna have my curry and peanuts because listen, I've been craving that since I woke up. So
why can't we sell Call of Duty for $80 or any other first-party games? And so
oh my god, you guys, these tulips are calling my name. I might actually get one or two. Oh my god, this is so pretty.
We go on board with the driver from Monaco who is...
I'm sorry. Okay.
Thank you. And another one over here. Your name and age. Anita, I'm 37. And Anita, what are you? Guys, I'm so tired. I just need to take a shower right now, and then I need some wine before I go to bed. I did a lot today. My legs are hurting. My body is hurting. I need to also stretch before I go to bed. I need to go to bed early today because we're supposed to go for the 8 a.m. service, church service tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna try and wake up that early because we always go for the 11:30 service. But I just wanted to show you guys my face. From me to you, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good morning, guys. We did not make it to church this Sunday. I am so sad about that, but I'm just so tired from last night. Today we are going to be meal prepping for the week. I always meal prep for the week, but this week is gonna be different because we are both eating something different. We always eat the same things every week, but this week is different. So yeah, because we have different goals that we're trying to achieve. But on the brighter side, we're going to see sinners today. I'm excited about that. I've seen a lot of mixed reviews regarding that, but I'm looking forward to seeing that for myself. But aside that, that's basically all on the agenda this weekend. My weekend was packed with house chores. But I'm looking forward to just seeing the movie with my partner and just chilling. So yeah, I hope you guys had a very restful and peaceful Sunday, and I hope you feel rejuvenated for this new week. Yeah, so happy Sunday.
Sorry, it's just I'm trying to do it. Okay, see, I'll give you a call back. Can I call you back?
5 lens. 5.5 lens. It still has. Because I can see my.
I'm such a hater now.
What's that? Our outfit for the movies. I'm wearing my Movado watch. The wig is from, I don't remember. And this is from Fashion Nova Shein. This jewelries are from Shein. Yeah, I think that's about it. Okay.
Zara, Apple. That's it. It's a nice American movie.